Hi everyone, I am with Dr. Satrupa Dev, a nephrologist at Bombay Hospital in Mumbai. I am Namita Jain, a wellness specialist, a wellness author, and today kidney health is a very important um, aspect that we must look after. And there are many myths floating around, and to look after one's kidney health, how much water to drink, and the diet and lifestyle in general. So, doctor, what would you say are the probably five most important points that one needs to keep in mind to look after kidney health?
Hello, Namita. Thank you for inviting me to this session. So, regarding kidney health, there are a lot of things that every one of us can do,
Yes.
starting with diet. In diet, the first and foremost thing that I tell to all my patients is salt restriction.
Okay.
With this, it implies that all kinds of outside processed food, packaged food should be avoided because the salt content in them is like abnormally high. You should have simple homemade food with minimal salt. The second most important thing about diet in kidney patients or in preventing kidney disease is protein intake. Now, the diets which are in vogue at present, for example, the keto diet,
Yes.
these diets should be avoided in the general population because the protein content in the diet is a lot more than that is actually recommended.
Right.
This increased protein content is an added load to the kidneys.
Right.
And if taken over a sustained period of time, this will lead in kidney damage.
Right.
So these are the few things that has to be maintained in diet. In addition to diet, exercise is also a very important thing. Third important thing is if you're smoking, please avoid smoking because as we all know, it damages your lungs, your brains, and it damages your kidneys as well. Now, the fourth most important thing is what I tell all my patients is please avoid over-the-counter self-prescribed medications, especially painkillers.
Right.
Now, there are certain painkillers which belong to the family known as NSAIDs.
Yes.
Unfortunately, these are the medicines that can cause absolute total kidney failure as well.
Right.
If you actually need some pain relieving medications, please consult your physician.
Right.
And the last and the most important thing is if you are diabetic, if you are hypertensive, you should keep a track of your blood pressure, of your sugars, of your cholesterol, of your body weight.
So you said that people with hypertension and diabetes are prone to kidney concerns. So at what point of time would you recommend that they visit a nephrologist?
Now, what I want, the most important thing in this is to understand that kidneys are silent organs.
Right.
When they are in problem, they are not going to shout and say, I'm in problem, please come and see me. For example, if a patient has got a heart attack, that patient will have severe chest pain, will run to the emergency.
Yes.
Because since there are no symptoms, only by doing tests, we can understand if you have a kidney problem or not.
Right. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much.